Hey yo.
Yeah. Talk your shit, right? Talk your shit.
Hey, we got one.
What they gonna say now?
Hey, let's get to this motherfucking money.
It's all about the pickups and the drop-offs. We rock the real shit, you rockin' knockoffs.
Hey yo, YouTube, let me speak on this. Yeah, it's your boy, man. Respect for GS. Back with another little pickup, man. Nothing crazy. I really ain't got much planned because I've been taking L's. A lot of L's, man. L's on the pair of guys. L's on the Yeezys, the 350s. I could have got the 700s, but I think they're gonna go down in price, so I'm kind of wait. But yeah, I've been taking L's. So I took L's on those Blazers. I took L's on the Waffles. Just L's on L's on L's on L's. But shoe karma is real. You gotta be down sometime to get up. So I have my time. But I've been picking up a little stuff here and there, just older stuff that I need, side swaps, stuff like that. I swapped out, so I went and got I sold my 4Y on StockX and got another, 7Y on StockX and got a 7 men pair of fours, of bread fours, or black cement fours. I like black cement better. But I did a Hibbert's pickup not too long ago. Hibbert said, shout out to Hibbert Sports. We made a little transaction, and I got some stuff from them. And I actually had some other stuff that was coming. So this is what this is. I took the labeling off of it. It's nothing major, nothing crazy. We moving up, man. No unboxing scissors, man. We got a box cutter now. So I hope I ain't cut my junk like this. And yeah, man, we got a nice little don't worry about this person. Y'all don't need to see it. Okay, we got a nice little joint there. Look gray and white, man. I actually put in for the all gray, but I said this. It's gray and white, like the blue one that I got. Same materials, same hoodie system, no drawstring. Oh, man, it's kind of dope, man. Like, it's dope, They had an all gray one with a black check. I think I still gonna try to get up on that. But yeah, this is pretty dope. So yeah, man, like I said, man, I really ain't got much to talk about, man. Just something real quick. Give y'all a little insight on me while we here. I got 3 kids. They going in to be teenagers. I got 2 girls and a boy. I enjoy battle rap, man. I do music from time to time. I collect sneakers, man. I love tech. My birthday just passed June 5th. So if you're watching this, man, please, man, comment happy birthday, or just show me some love, man. Like, show me some love, you know what I'm saying? That'll make me, that keep my motivation up. So, I'm just, man, trying to live my best life, do more things that I love and truly have a heart for, and this is one of them. I've been wanting to do this YouTube thing for a long time. I just kind of procrastinated on it. I had so much other things going that I didn't have time. I am a waiver too. I forgot to say that I am a waiver. So my waiver is nice. I just went on a wolfing journey and risked a little bit. Probably 3 months. I did a 3-4 month wolf. So I just kept coming a wolf out. I'll probably get all the details in my ways a little later. I ain't brush yet. I'm putting no brush work in, but keep a brush with me. you gotta always have a brush with you when you're away. You gotta be able to hit them angles. I mean, I can see some of those. Like, I'm busting. I'm definitely more wavy than Sniper John. I digress. But, that's the broke, man. Shout out Snipe, man. Man, just trying to get my numbers up, my views up, my subscribers up, my followers up on IG. Just working, man, Working. I did get my personal card, Travis Scott's in. Y'all want to see that review, man? I will review it. Just comment below. I did a Travis Scott review on a 10.5, but I got a personal side, so excuse me. Which was a little bit harder to get. I got it for a real good price. I definitely got them joints legit check because there's a lot of Fugazi going on around here. I will be picking up some old for guys, the light bone and the black. I'm picking those up from one of the homeboys for a real good price. So, picking up some stuff, man. Missing out on stuff, so I'm gonna recop some stuff that I missed out on. I do got the LA to Chicago. I got those, but I'm waiting on a second part so that I can do. I want to keep one dead stock and keep one and change one a little bit. Got a dope. Well, somebody already did it, so I'm gonna tell it. I was gonna do them like homage to home, half Chicago, half LA. Somebody already did it, but the way they did it, I didn't like. So I'm actually do it the way I think that it should have been just like the homage to home. Should have been identical on both shoes, you know what I'm saying, in the same way. But I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna do that on the other part too. What is it? Unwild Paris or something like that. It's going for good prices, low prices. So definitely gonna do that. I'm gonna try to pick up on some 700s, some used 700s. Just kind of working, man. Make sure you go over to soulpremise.com for all your sneaker carrying options. Like bags and you using this carry-on. You can all it, man. Like they got book bags, duffel bags. They got a variety of things, man. And if you over there, you want to cop something, man, use the discount code, man. Respect number 4 GS. You get 25% off plus free shipping. You feel me? So yeah, make sure you go over there and do that. I will show you the bag, but my bag is downstairs. Like I said, this is kind of like an impromptu video. It ain't really, planned out or nothing. So, just wanted to give y'all a little bit about me, show off the little pickup that I got. Y'all will see more content like for my kids on here too. My son is into collecting WWE figures, action figures, wrestling men. So, when he start getting some new ones, we will do some unboxings on here. For that, my daughter is big into like dancing and singing. My middle daughter, my son is my youngest. He has 2 older sisters. My oldest child does reside in Texas right now. So, 2 with one woman and 1 with another woman. So, yeah, man, we definitely gonna get into some different content. I'm gonna let them do some things on her. My oldest daughter, if God be that she gets to come for the summer, y'all will get to see her. Y'all get to meet them. My little squad, you hear me? And while we talking about squads, man, make sure y'all hit that notification bell too, man, so you be part of the respected gang, you hear me? So you can know, when I drop some content, some new stuff pop up. And like I say over here, man, we got to be respected to be fair, man. The only way you can do that is if we hit that bell, you feel me? So, we definitely, trying to rise up. We doing some good numbers. y'all been tuning in, man. I appreciate everybody who tuned in. Everybody give me an opportunity to get a little insight into their life, and they get to get a little insight to mine. Game on. So I'm watching the updates, man. Right now, the Warriors got the lead at half, but hey, I still say, man, I'm going Toronto, man. I think Toronto in 6, man. I was saying 5, but we don't say 6. Toronto in 6. So, yeah, man, we just working, man. Just working. Check out the bro, Flight Academy Kicks. Sub to him if you're not sub to him. Sub to the homeboy, Chaotic Kicks. He doing a giveaway at 500 sub. $100 giveaway. I think Unbreakable is doing a $100 giveaway as well. He's doing a $100 giveaway with Kicks. So go over there, sub to him, and get the details about his giveaway. Everybody just, doing good, man. Like, like I say, it's a new, I consider it a new sneaker too. We're trying to get rid of all that negative, energy, and bring positive energy back into the sneaker game. And, no hype beast and nothing like that. Just good, clean content, that people can enjoy and get detailed reviews on shoes from all categories, man, from men to GS and and so on and so on, man. Like, we really trying to get this thing rolling. The Horsemen doing what they doing, like they got a crew, man, like good guys, man. So I support them. I support a lot of other sneaker tubers, man. Bull, I love Bull's content. I love Tony B's content. Mike the Compass. These guys, I love their videos and their take on tennis shoes and sneakers and gym shoes or whatever people like to call them. Like, I love their take on them. So especially like the big guys like Kais and Foamer, and it's a lot of guys, man. It's a lot of guys with great content. So yeah, man, just keep pushing. I am like 2 subs away from 25. I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subs. I don't know what I'm gonna give away yet. I could possibly give away something from Soul Premise. I could give away something from Rejuvenator. I could give away a gift card, an Xbox gift card, a PS4 gift card, a sneaker gift card, a Best Buy gift. I don't know, but I'm gonna give away something dope. I definitely am gonna give away something dope. Just stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. You know how I say, man. The goal is to be clean, not mean. Stay fresh, not stressed, and be blessed. You hear me? It's your boy. Respect for GS. Respect for G's. Man, STL Heat. Baquati Rob Baquati. I'm known by a bunch of names, but I also known for having fly kicks. And till next time, man. We out.
Woo! Talk your shit. Yeah. Union ties, nigga. Hustle. Did the scale twerking.